It's Father's Day, so we decided to celebrate at Club Samal Resort, and here is my honest review. By the way, we booked this poolside room through Agoda para mas mura. And so far, na-appreciate ko naman yung amenities nila, except lang that during our time, walang hot shower. At sa room namin na 109, medyo mahina lang yung pressure ng tubig. I really appreciate na separate yung shower at yung toilet at complete din yung toiletries nila. And in case you forgot your sleepers, they have to. Walang staff na nag-welcome sa amin during arrival, so hindi namin alam saan yung front desk. So nasa second floor pala. We arrived at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so low tide yung dagat. Sabi ko pa, ay pangit, hindi maliguan, but don't judge. Eto na nga guys, gutom na kami, so umorder na, and personally I was surprised with the prices. Pero sige, check nga natin kung masarap nga ba talaga at hindi kami na-disappoint guys. Ang sarap ng food nila, tama lang din sa kanilang presyo. Malaki yung pool nila guys, pero hindi masyadong malalim, but again, napakaganda nung tubig. I tell you, the water is clear. Second siya sa lucid. Hindi gaanong malamig, hindi gaanong mainit, and this is the view during the night. Napakaganda din at very serene. Kaso di ko lang gusto yung pagka-blue ng tubig, sumasakit yung ulo ko, siguro sa astigmatism. The food during the dinner is sobrang sarap. At masarap tumambay dito guys kapag gabi sa shore nila. Yun nga lang, hanggang 6 p.m. lang pwedeng maligo dito. Ang sarap ng hangin at pwedeng magmuni-muni talaga sa shore. Kitang-kita mo yung Davao City lights. So eto na nga, don't judge. Ang ganda pala ng tubig dito, especially pag high tide. Pag mag-forward ka ng kaunti guys, malalim na yan dyan. So which is, I really love the beach part. Buffet yung breakfast, so it's a big yes for us. Masarap din. It's 11:30 and now we're heading home, waiting for the boat. Meron din pala silang day tour dito guys, and I tell you, the beach, I really love the beach here. So kung babalik ba ako? Yes, of course.